Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in on Coffee Meets Bagel. For that, first of all, open up your Coffee Meets Bagel app on your phone. There you can see that you can either log in with Facebook or phone number. For now, I'm going to show you how to log in with phone number. Firstly, select your country code. Then enter your mobile number that is linked to your account. After you are done, tap on the blue tab that says Get Started. Coffee Meets Bagel will now send you a verification code on your phone number. Enter the verification code, and when you are done, tap on Verify. This way you can log in on Coffee Meets Bagel. Now you will get introduced to curated matches. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.